Good morning, everyone. Let's look at the 4 operational layers in lifetechOCMS, which are menu, page, content, and components. Firstly, let's go to our documentation and search for operational layer. Operational layers. Click on it. Here we are. lifetechOCMS is structured into 4 operational layers, each controlled by role-based access control (RBAC) to ensure secure and organized access. These layers define how users interact with different parts of the system. The 4 layers, as I've said, are menus, pages, contents, and components. Now, at this point, during our last video, we explained about role-based access control, the role itself, which are automatically default of developer, anonymous, and authenticated. All those roles have been attached to the 4 layers. So let's start with the first one, which is the menu layer. The menu layer is the one that you click that will drive you to a page. For instance, look at this my page here, which is user menu here. Let me refresh. You can see this is my menu here. I can decide that I want to disable, I want to unpublish this for a particular row. Now you need to understand the role of this page. The role of this page I'm currently scrolling is anonymous page. So let me now unpublish this for anonymous. Let me go to my menu page. I already opened it to make the video fast, so it's possible. Let me just search for what is the menu name I want to unpublish. User menu. Let me just search for user menu. This is it here. Then what I will do is that I will just say I want to unpublish it for anonymous. So once I have done that, let me refresh it. You see that user menu has been disabled from this menu, saying that on menu management, LifeTech App Core understand the menus that are being published for particular rows. So let me go and enable it back so that we can see it. That is menu. You can see it has come back. The next layer is page. So all these components, all this content you are seeing, they are all together to form a page. This is a page. Don't forget, this is just a menu that will take you to a page. Fine. You can see now I click on it, that's taking me to a page. But on this page also, there is also RBAC that control this for user roles. So let's go to page and see if you can coordinate that. This is a page, login page. I can decide that, oh fine, I don't want anonymous to see this page. I disable it. So once I refresh this, you can see that automatically the page is been, the content had been disabled for this page. This page is not enabled anymore to show any content. So you can see that this menu is still working while this page is not accessible anymore, because I have disabled it. I have unpublished it for the anonymous page. So the next one is content. So let me enable it back for anonymous. Let me enable it back. So you can see it has come back working. So the next one is content. Now if you look at this page I am now, I got 2 dynamic content here, which are the sign up content and also the sign in content. So it's also possible for me that, okay, if I'm working on this page, these 2 content are working on this page perfectly, but I can decide that, oh, I don't want sign up to show for anonymous anymore, sign up content. So what will I do? I will go to content. Fine, these are the content. These are the 2 published content for this page, login page, while I have all the rest unpublished. So it's possible, okay, let me just say I want to disable the sign up content, which is the registration page. Then I'll do what? I'll disable it. Once I refresh, it's gone. So the last, which is the 4th part, is this is content, while we have 2 or more components inside this content. This is search thread component, this is action component, and this is view component all in one content. Now you can decide that okay, you want this action, all this, you can decide you want all these components to work for an administrator, why this action component should be disabled for anonymous. So this will help you for you not to duplicate content because of administrator or anonymous. Thank you so much.